call it the pucker up. It's a frozen drink. We've never done this before. So you get a blender, and however much cocktail you're making, you want double that of the ice. That's a good formula to follow. So we're making a small pitcher here, so I'm gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. Actually, to make that's per drink, so I'm gonna do 4 ounces of vodka. And then I've got limoncello right out of the freezer. I'm gonna do equal parts limoncello and vodka. Put that right in the blender. Then I'm going to add 2 parts of white wine.
So is that 2 cups?
No, it's I did 4 ounces, and now I'm doing 8 ounces of wine.
Okay, so 1 cup of white wine.
1 cup. Well, it depends how much you make. But
Well,
just
you're
remember,
making 2 drinks.
Right. Just remember 1 part, 2 parts. And then I'm going to add about 1 part, that's about 4 ounces for 2 drinks, of simple syrup. Then you can either squeeze lemons in there, but I'm just going to put a whole lemon right in there.
That's a seedless lemon though, right?
It's a seedless lemon. And this is a pretty powerful blender, so it'll just...
You just added, what, a couple leaves of mint?
About a half a handful of fresh mint leaves. And now, zapping. All right, I think she's done.
A little bit more. Don't you want it like super smoothie?
Okay. It's pretty smooth. This thing goes, this high-powered...
It's pretty serious, huh?
Pretty serious over here. And I got these little cute, actually Rachel got these little cute owl mason jars.
I think Patty Yankee gave us those.
Oh, thanks.
One of our friends gave us those. They're mason jars. Frozen drinks are fun in mason jars. Those happen to look like owls.
And I just garnish it with an extra lemon wheel and some mint. And there you have the frozen pucker up.
Cheers.
Cheers, hon. Ooh, it's very refreshing.
Wow, it's delicious. It's frozen lemonade.
Yeah.
It's like a slushie.
Frozen grown-up lemonade.
A frozen grown-up lemonade.